Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to crop a picture into a circle in PowerPoint. So open your PowerPoint slide and then go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and click on the Pictures. And click on this device and select the picture from your computer device. So if your photo is a rectangle, forcing it into a circle right away will stretch it. So you need to click on your image to select it and then go to the picture format and click on the drop down arrow underneath the crop button. Hover over aspect ratio and select the 1 by 1. Now your image will now have a square cropping frame over it. You can click and drag the picture inside the frame to center your object perfectly like this one. And now click on the picture and go to the picture format, and this time click on the crop, and now select the crop to shape and select the oval shape. And you can move the picture anywhere, but you cannot adjust the picture inside the oval. So how you can do that? You need to select the picture, click on the picture format, and again click on the crop, and now this time click on the crop, and here you can see that the both sides are enabled now. Now you can readjust the picture like this one. So once you are happy with the framing, click outside the image or press enter to finalize the crop. So I hope now you understand how you can crop a picture into a circle in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.